So, I just have one question. Why? We have brakes, we don't have no horn, we don't have no license plate. I don't even know if them license. See your thing points here, so when you move off out the road, you go. See your wheel point away.
God.
When you move off out the road. So the plan is we are going to race down to that end of the parking lot. We have some products that we are going to put on the push cart or the hand cart or whatever.
Can we show them the vehicle first? Because this brakes is very fancy.
Yeah. And then we're going to come back down here. So,
Chef, you can reach
hold on. See you can see the brakes?
Let me show you. Guys.
Brakes. Aye.
Majesty.
Come back, Sim. Let's go. I'm going to play with this thing.
All right.
Are you ready?
No, not really, but does it really matter?
1, after 3 we go, right?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. Boy, brakes.
Hold on, man. Oh, yeah, move so fast. Yeah, man. And then you have to turn now.
Okay.
Oh, the wrong way me a turn.
Why brakes?
I feel that way with this. Brakes.
Man, these things are heavy. Wait till I reach the finish line.
This is how much race. I just want to come in. We win already now.
No, there can't be another one.
Cannot be another one.
I don't have any more energy. Where you do?
I don't know. Tired already.
Line up and park.
Joe, do you want to ride?
Shauna, where did you get these things from? Ow! Ran over my own toe. Yes, Neville is gone back to his youthful days. You just a park here, man, because there's something heavy.
Juice, man. Juice, man.
With the water.
Simone there.
I'm parking, guy.
Juice.
We got a lot of exercise on the shoulder, you know? Alright.
Show done, me tired.
Yeah, brakes. As in literally.
We'll
be right back.
So the winner get the spoils?